Hello everyone, myself Mohan Undipal, Assistant Professor CSC, MCKV Institute of Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss different memory allocation techniques with their numerical illustrations along with the C language implementation of the algorithms.
Memory allocation techniques are algorithms that satisfy the memory needs of a process. They decide which hole from the list of free holes must be allocated to the process. These algorithms play a great role in fixed partitioning with unequal sized partitions and in dynamic partitioning in terms of system performance and memory wastage. There are three techniques for memory allocation. They are first fit, best fit, and worst fit. First fit algorithm searches the list of free holes and allocates the first hole in the list that is big enough to accommodate the desired process. Searching is stopped when it finds the first fit hole. The next time searching is resumed from that location. The first hole is counted from this last location. In this case, the variation becomes the next fit allocation. Next fit is the variation of first fit algorithm. Best fit algorithm takes care of memory storage and searches the list by comparing memory size of the process to be allocated with that of free holes in the list. The smallest hole that is big enough to accommodate the process is allocated. The best fit algorithm may be better in terms of wastage of memory space, but it incurs cost of searching all the entries in the list. This is an additional overhead to the operating system. Worst fit algorithm is just reverse of best fit algorithm. It searches the list for the largest hole. This algorithm in its first perception seems that it is not good enough. But it may be helpful in dynamic partitioning because the large holes left over due to this algorithm may be allocated to other processes that fit. However, this algorithm incurs overhead of searching the list for the largest hole. We are considering one example over here. The initial scenario of the system is like that. This part of the memory is occupied by operating system and green holes are empty holes and white holes are occupied holes. We are following first fit algorithm. The memory requests are 4K and 10K in order. Following first fit algorithm, 4K request will be put inside the empty block of 10K, leaving behind 6K as fragmentation. The next request 10K will be allocated following first fit algorithm to the block of 15K, leaving behind 5K as internal fragmentation. So we are getting total internal fragmentation following first fit algorithm is equal to 6K plus 5K equal to 11K. Now we are considering best fit algorithm. The same initial scenario is considered and the memory requests are also the same, that is 4K and 10K in order. If we follow best fit algorithm, then the request 4K will be allocated to the empty hole 5K because it is the smallest hole which is big enough to accommodate 4K request. And the next request is 10K following best fit algorithm. The first empty hole, that is 10K hole, will be allocated to 10K request. So following best fit algorithm, we are getting 0K plus 1K, that is total 1K of internal fragmentation. If we consider worst fit algorithm, in that case we are considering the same memory request, that is 4K and 10K in order. In this case, the algorithm will search for the largest hole for allocating 4K request. The largest hole for allocating 4K request is 22K. So after allocating 4K inside this empty hole, 18K is available as fragmentation, and for 10K request, that 18K hole is the largest hole to be accommodated. So 10K will also be allocated to that 18K hole, leaving behind 10K. So total internal fragmentation is 22K minus 4K minus 10K equal to 8K. One similar assignment is given over here. This is the initial scenario and the memory requests are 10K and 20K in order. Compare memory allocation using first fit, best fit and worst fit method in terms of internal fragmentation. Now, I am moving forward to the implementation of first fit, best fit and worst fit algorithm using C language. Before moving forward to the implementation of these three algorithms, I want to mention two things. That is, the topic which I would like to discuss in my next video is paging concept. And if you have any question, you can put your question in the mail ID mohua.nandi@gmail.com, or you can put your question in the comment section below. Now we are moving forward to the C language implementation of first fit, best fit and worst fit algorithm.
Then 4 user inputs, the total number of processes, total number of blocks, size of each process and block sizes. After taking these 4 user inputs, we have written the program as menu driven program using switch case. The first option is first fit, second one best fit and third one is worst fit. Fourth option is exit. The loop will continue until the fourth option is chosen by the user, that is the exit option. So we are compiling the program, running the program. We are considering the same problem that we have considered during our presentation, that is total number of processes in our case is 2 and total number of blocks is equal to 4. The process size for process 1 is 4K and process 2 is 10K. The block sizes are 10K, 5K, 15K and 22K. We are choosing second option, that is best fit 2. It is printing total internal fragmentation also. It is 1K. And it is again asking for user's choice. This time say we are choosing option 1, that is first fit. It is printing process 1 of size 4 is allocated to block 1 of size 10 and process 2 of size 10 is allocated to block 3 of size 15. After that it is printing total internal fragmentation is 11 and it is again asking for user's choice. If we put over here 4, that is exit option, the program will exit. Thank you.